welcome back to my channel. I am Chef Sporty and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to make strawberry cobbler in a mug. So these are the ingredients you will need. You will need a microwave safe mug, some butter, some salt, some baking powder, some flour, some sugar, some powdered sugar, some milk, a bowl, a cup measurement, a teaspoon measurement, and a tablespoon measurement, and a microwave, of course. You'll also need another small bowl. You'll also need a stirring utensil. I'm using a fork, but you could use anything for stirring. You will need some strawberries. For step 1, you would like to take your bowl and add 4 tablespoons of flour. Next, you want to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, you want a half teaspoon of baking powder. Then, you want an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now, you want to stir. Next, you want to add 1 tablespoon of butter to your other small bowl. Next, you want to place it in the microwave and melt it completely. Now pour this into your mixture and stir. Next, add 2 tablespoons of milk and stir. So once it kind of looks like this, you want to set it aside. Next, you want to cut the tops off of the strawberries and cut them up into tiny bits. Now that you got these all cut up, you want to add 3/4 of them into your mug. Next, add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar to your mug. Now stir. Next, you add this mixture into the mug. Now that you have this into your strawberries, you'll want to microwave it for 90 seconds. Here is what mine looked like after coming out of the microwave. So this is it, and it is really delicious. And so please try it and comment what you thought about it. So please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!